Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be going over the dead bug. So this exercise will be a progression further on past our 3-month supine video. So for the correct progression, you'd start with a 3-month supported position, move into the 3-month unsupported, and then you can kind of start playing around with this exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down onto your back. Okay, before you even start, you want to round your back, make sure your low back is smashed against the floor. Okay, you're gonna lift your legs up into that 90-degree position here. Ankles will be closer together, knees will be a little bit further apart. Okay, flexing your feet here, still making sure that low back is smashed against the ground. Arms are gonna come up over your chest, palms can face each other here, okay? Focus on that deep belly breath, so pulling your ribs to your pelvis here, filling that belly up with air. When you're ready, you can start just with your upper body, alternating arms back behind your head and coming back up. Opposite arm back behind your head and coming back up. When you're getting comfortable with that, you can then add the legs. So keeping that leg nice and bent, bringing that heel towards the ground, making sure that as you're dropping your leg down, your back is not arching. Okay, so you're keeping that low back smashed against the ground, dropping that heel to the ground, coming back up, opposite leg to the ground, and back up. And if you're feeling really comfortable with that, you can then add arms and legs at the same time. So it'll be opposite arm, opposite leg, extending back nice and slow, keeping that low back smashed against the ground, coming back up to neutral, back down, back up to neutral, focusing on taking that inhale as you're extending back, and then exhaling as you're coming back up to the top. So this is a great way to progress further in that 3-month supine position, add some dissociation, and train your core a little bit more.